You can also look in some drawing books of, you know, how to draw dogs, how to draw snouts. You can look it up on YouTube, you know, so anything that you can't find here, look it up on YouTube and see if you can find other artists that are teaching you to draw. Okay, because it's good to look up different artists. There's nothing wrong with it. So I'm just going to go fill those in there. Now I'm using the lighter pencil HB in case I make, you know, a real bad boo-boo. And then I'm going to put this over here just to join those two together. And they usually have like something coming down here. We want to fill this part in here. Okay, so even though you traced it, as you can see, there's still a lot of work to be done. So put this line down here. And then we'll fill all this and leave a little bit of space here for a highlight. Not much, but you can take it out after, but just to give you some idea where you want your highlight. Right here. See how I'm leaving a little space there? I'm just going to fill this in with dark. A bit more dark down here. I'm kind of going over that. And here is a little bit lighter. When I get the darker pencil, I'll make these nice and dark. Leave that line there just for a little bit of a highlight. I'm going to get this darker so you can see the difference. Quite dark all around here. See, it depends. I mean, you could take a picture of an animal and you'll be able to see, it'll be bright, you'll be able to see everything. All right. So just filling in the darks. I didn't leave it, I forgot to leave a highlight there. So I'm going to take it out. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my darker pencil. And I'm going to fill that in again. There we go. So just fill it all in with dark, because we're drawing the picture that we see. So I've done many commissioned artwork on animals, and the lighting sometimes can be pretty bad. I can't see it, so I had to make it up to make it look like it's in a different lighting, which is difficult to do because you don't really know kind of shape of face that certain dogs have. You know, I even looked them up and made sure that I had everything in place, and it's a lot of work, but it's worth it when it's all finished. So this part down here is pretty dark. I left those two little highlights here just to see if I can tell where the bottom of the snout is. Not the snout, but the nostrils. So I'm just kind of throwing in that. And then we're going to shade this here, and a very light touch, okay? So I'm pushing hard on these dark areas. I'm pushing really hard, you know, not hard enough now to break the pencil, but I'm pushing hard. And then up here, it's a little softer feel too, kind of, and make some circles, make little circles. And when you get to this edge here, you can darken it up a little bit here. Just going by the reference photo. Yeah. And then kind of leaving a bit lighter here, and then it gets darker on the sides again. Try to make those two sides a little even. Little circles are nice. Now, what we want to do is get our blending stump out. And then we will blend. Trying to leave some of that light part there. Till we blend, see that? Blend that together and it looks much better, see? Alright. Good. Up a little bit here to kind of round it off a little bit. That looks kind of nice.